What's even better than classic bikes at the track? Classic bikes at the track under a clear blue sky with the sun glistening off their beautiful bodywork and engines. I have returned to the Hockenheim Classics, so brace yourselves for stunning vintage motorcycles, cracking engine sound and old school racing action. In contrast to last time though, I've added some proper two-stroke revving goodness. But I'm Donnie Desmo, so let's start with some classic Ducatis. Like this incredible 450 Mark III Desmo. It was built in 1969 and, as you can tell from the fairings, the owner named it after the famous first ever Ducati race bike, Mariana. I just love the paintwork on this bike. It's not the only Mark III in action though. Here you have two more examples in excellent condition. Check out how they used to integrate the clutch back in the day. Still not enough Desmo? Then how about these two 1968 350s? I think I prefer them with fairings. How about you? Rounding off our Ducati tour is this 1989 750 Sport in classic F1 Italian flag livery and tasty golden wheels. Of course, there are plenty of other brands to admire here as well, so let's broaden our horizon a little bit. But we didn't come here just for the looks. Time for some engine sound. Check out the two-strokes. Oh my. how about a few 250 two-stroke close-ups? Naturally, there are also sidecars on track. If you want to see more of those, check out my video from last year. Let's finish this report with one of the greatest cars ever made. The Di Tommaso Pantera. American V8, Italian design. Shut up and take my money. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Donnie Desmo, out.